Hey guys, what's up? It is me, Franny, and I cannot believe I am making this video so soon. Feels like I moved yesterday. No, it actually feels like I moved in about a month ago. But yes, I am moving out next week from this house. And it is such a bittersweet feeling for me because, oh my God, it's like, it's just weird. It was the feeling that I had when I lived with the guys, like moving out. I'm like, oh man, I'm gonna miss their company. I'm gonna miss everything. I absolutely loved my roommates a lot. Like, they were incredible. I had the best roommates that I could possibly ask for. God, Nessa! You drank all my milk! Emily, can you like grow up and get your clothes out the dryer? They're my best friends. I love them a ton. They were just great. They were clean, respectable, you know, they picked up after themselves. Nessa, can you like wash your dishes? Those are yours! God, Emily, can you pick up your food? She's not home. I did it! Franny, those are yours! We were always laughing together. Like, they always made me laugh. Franny, look how funny this is. You're not funny. And, you know, they're very nice, genuine people, and I know they always thought of me. You know, we'd always hit each other up if we needed something, or if, hey, Franny, can I get you this? Or, hey, I'm out here, do you need anything? Or, hey, I'm at the grocery store, can I pick anything up? It was like, we just had like a really good dynamic going on. Franny, I got you donuts. I'm on a diet. But they're your favorite. Thank you. Always a great time to be around. We always did fun activities, going to the movies, going to adventure parks, going I don't know where, but we always were doing something, and I love people that are really spontaneous to do stuff with. Ness, you wanna go to Disneyland?
No, dude, it's my mom's birthday. I can't miss it.
Why are you so boring?
We were there this morning!
You know, moving in with just girls, I was a little nervous because there's always problems, there's always arguments, but I kid you not that we really had no fight. There was no beef, there was no arguments. We lived really peacefully and we respected each other a lot. And really overall, I really loved being their roommate. Probably one of the best 6 months of my life. It was awesome. But you know what? You're not even a good dancer! You're not a good singer! I'm over it! I hate this house! This is my room! I don't care! Guys, I'm kidding, those skits are fake. They're fake, they're fake. It was just something that funny I thought I'd insert into this video because instead of it just being a boring video of me just straight talking, I thought I'd throw in some comedy. So don't hate me for my acting. I promise it's all fake, it's not real. Anyways, back to the moving out and being serious. But yeah, I had a great time living with the girls. It was, like I said, it was a scary transition for me because, you know, living with the guys, I was so used to it. You know, I get really comfortable really fast. I was just nervous. I was like, oh, it's like out of my comfort zone. I'm gonna be living with girls. Like, I feel like I don't get along with girls that well. And I mean, granted, Emily was one of my best friends, and I knew Nessa already, not that well, but Nessa's now like one of my best friends. We just got along really well, and it's sad that, you know, we're all not gonna be living together anymore after these 6 months. We're all still gonna be together. I'm honestly, like, we might even live by each other. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we don't know. We don't know what the future holds. Sorry if I keep looking out that way. The sun is setting in my room and it like looks really pretty and it's like falling behind the buildings. Sorry, you guys probably don't care about that. But yeah, guys, so a lot of you guys are probably wondering now, who am I gonna be living with? And I promise you that my next set of roommates are roommates you are going to love a lot. A lot. Well, I hope you will. I think you will. And I'm really excited to live with these people. It's weird. It's gonna be weird living with these people. Again, keyword again. Or if it's like the coloring is all getting jacked up, the sun setting. And just so you guys know, I'm still doing YouTube. I am still working. I'm gonna be working on music that I cannot wait to share with you guys and start pushing out for y'all. It's so crazy. My life has took a turn in the past year and a half, and I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful that where I'm at and what I can do. But yeah, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what you thought. Don't forget to put those push notifications on so when I upload, y'all know exactly when I do. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, ready?
That was great, dude.
So good though. I blanked, and then I started picking it back up. Okay, hold on. Emily, can you just pick up your food? She's not home. Oh wait, no, that doesn't make sense. Because I'm like looking that way.
Did you have to throw that hard?
I blacked out. I don't remember. You wanna go to Disneyland?
No, dude, I have to edit.
Dude, what the hell? What did you say?
Oh, no.
Ray,
No, she's. Oh, what do I
you gotta close the door.